Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Viennese. I'm so glad you're here. Today's video is going to be super short and quick. We're going to be talking about how I wrap my hair. I don't do it in the usual fashion, but this is something that I do and I love so much. I've got a lot of questions on it. So if you're interested in this, let's get into the video. All right, you guys. So these are the three things that you're going to need. You're going to need a brush like this. You're going to need a scarf, and this is the scarf that I love so much. It is a super long satin, like literally, look how long this is, guys, scarf. I got it from the hair store and I love it so much. And you're going to need a little goodie or whatever brand stretchy ponytail holder like this, and that's it. And all I do, guys, is take my hair. Now this is how I wear my hair majority of the time. You see how it's just straight like this? I'll either have it just straight like this, or I will have like the front of my hair down and I'll wear it like this. All I do is I take all of my hair and I have like a straight part. I put where I want my part the next day. I will also slick down my edges sometimes. I don't do this every time. This is being extra, but you can slick down your edges so that this part is flat. That's the main thing you want to keep flat. I do not want my edges or the top part of my hair to be puffy or start to revert, and this is going to prevent that. So after I've done that, I'll like tuck it behind my ears and I'll take my scarf. Guys, look how wide this is. This is why I love it so much. You can just do so much with it. But what I like to do is I like to fold it in half. Just take it and I place it along the top and the front of my hair, over my edges and over the top of my head. And I tie it in a knot. Let me go back. Before you tie it in a knot in the back, you might want to take the rest of your hair that's hanging and just take your ponytail holder and just get it out of the way, because you do not want to tie your hair in this knot. That hurts and none of us want to do that. So you're going to make sure it's tight along your head. Now don't do this too tight because you do not want a headache. That is the main thing. So just make sure it's on there securely, but not super tight where your head is just going to be throbbing. We do not want that. So we have our hair tied in the back, flat in the front. All right, and after you have done this, all you're going to do is take out your ponytail holder. I take my hair that's right here in the back. You see that? I take it and I roll it into a loose bun like this. See that? You do not want it tight because you do not want creases in your hair. You want to keep it as straight as possible. And then I take my ponytail holder and I go over it once, maybe. Yeah, we're going to do once. Sometimes you can do it twice, but if you do not want any creases, I would not suggest you keep going around. I'm going to take my satin cap. I've showed you guys this in previous videos. This is by Ionic, one of my favorite satin caps, and I will link everything I'm using down below in the description box. Tuck in the hair. If you want to take all this extra scarf, mine's extra long. You might not have a scarf that long, but I just like mine. But you can use any kind of satin scarf. And I just tuck it all in like so. So by doing this, my edges are going to be laid down in the morning. The top part of my hair is still going to be flat, and the back of my hair is still going to be straight. Now, this is just something I do. It might not be for everyone. I know a lot of people wrap it around their hair, and I used to do that, but I just don't do it anymore. And I've had some of you ask me to do a video on how I wrap my hair at night. So if this is something you want to try, then I say go for it. You know, everyone has their own way of doing things. I also don't mind a little bit of crinkle, so sometimes I might wrap that band around my hair twice, and in the morning there's a little bit of crinkle, but that can be pretty. Depending on how tight you do your bun, you know, it's just all preference. It's what you like. All right, so let's act like it's the morning. What I do is I take off the cap. My hair normally just falls right down, and then I undo the knot carefully so that my edges are still laying flat, My hair is still straight and I can brush through it. So I could either, for the day, wear my hair straight or I could put it in a bun. But regardless of how I'm going to wear my hair for the day, my edges will be laid flat and the top part of my hair is flat. And I feel like that's the main part that you want to keep flat. But by doing everything loosely, it should remain pretty straight. So that's what I do. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. I love you, Jesus loves you, and I will see you guys on the next one.